Yo, what's up, guys? Good morning, good afternoon, good night, wherever you are. Once again, my name is Victor Agina, and in this very short 15 minutes presentation, I want to show you exactly how you can run profitable ads on Facebook. So, this video is for you if you have a product or a service that you're selling and you don't know how to sell it, but you have a Facebook account with an active ads manager in it. I'm going to show you exactly how you can start selling right away. So before I go right straight into this presentation, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please click on the subscribe button at the top right, at the bottom right hand of this video, and then don't forget to turn on notifications so that you'll be the first to know when I publish new content on my YouTube channel. So here's exactly what the Facebook Ads Manager looks like. Okay, it's slightly different from your normal Facebook profile. On this Ad Manager, you can create an account, you can create an ad on Facebook, and you can sell whatever it is that you need to sell. You want to sell. Okay, the Facebook Ad Manager has different objectives, and you should understand that these ad objectives determine the results that you get. All right, Facebook over the past many years have been able to gather data from their users based on the activities that you know based on the activities that people engage in. For example, if you engage in a page, a weight loss page, okay, maybe a page that talks about weight loss that sells weight loss products, you'll find out that you start seeing with sponsored ads that show you weight loss product, maybe waist trainer, weight loss pills, and something like that. That's because Facebook has been able to understand your users. Now they are using this data to help business people to sell their product. Okay, so we have the different objectives on Facebook. We have the traffic objective. Let's say, for example, you just want to send people to a page. You just want them to probably go to your blog and read an article. You can use the traffic objective. We have the engagement objective. By engagement objective, what it means is that you want people to engage with your ads. By engagement, they post a comment, they like your video, they like your whatever it is you post, your product, and they share your content. So if you choose the engagement objective, Facebook is going to optimize your ad for that objective. So when you have a video and the uses objective, you're just going to have people liking and clicking and commenting and not necessarily taking any other action, because that is what you have set on Facebook. Now we have the app installed. Let's say, for example, you have a mobile app and you want people to download your app. All right, you use this app installed. Um, Facebook, with the right targeting and all that, yeah, Facebook now helps you to get people that will download your app. Okay, so we have video views. If you post a video and you just want people to watch it, you use this objective. Then we have the lead generation. By lead generation, it means you're going to collect contacts of your prospective buyers. Okay, so instead of just running a traffic ad, you run a lead generation ad. With this, Facebook helps to capture the data of the people who engage in that ad, so that you can now download that data. Maybe it could be email, it could be phone number. You can now use that data to follow up and further sell your product or service to the customer. Okay, so we have a message objective. Now, the message objective, you can actually use this to sell. Okay, depends on how you coin your ad. Maybe you just want people to contact you and make inquiries about what it is that you have to offer, or you want them to buy. There's a way around it. There's a way you write your ad, and then when people message you, they just come and tell you, okay, I want to buy this product. Okay, so the conversion objective, this is basically what I use to um, sell my shoes. Okay, I just hit for conversion. By conversions, you are telling Facebook that I want people to come to this website, to this web page, to buy my product. Okay, so let's say for example, okay, so for example, when you use the conversion objective, right? And I just want people to come here and order for this shoe. Okay, So what happens is that when you come to this page, when you come to this page, you scroll down. Okay, you see this is called they want to buy. You scroll down, and then I'm telling Facebook that when people fill this form, okay, when people fill this form on my website, when they fill this form on my website, and then they land on this page, all right. When they land on this page, I'm telling Facebook that when they land on this page, you charge me when they land on this page. Okay. So when somebody fills this and they land on this page, Facebook will charge me per conversion. Right? Conversion means for me that is a sale. Right? Then I have to tell my people to call the customer. So the conversion could be for sales, conversion could be for leads, depends on what it is that you want to sell. You know, catalog sales, if you have catalogs on Facebook and you want to promote the catalogs, you can use this objective. Then the store traffic. Let's say you have a physical shop and you want people to visit your shop, you can use the store traffic objective. Okay, that's basically it. All right. So you have the brand awareness. You just want people to see your brand name and all that. You have the reach. You just want to be able to reach out to people. This reach is actually just used to warm up your account. People use that to warm up their account. Okay. So let's say we want to create we want to create an ad and we just want to do traffic. Okay, let me start with traffic before I talk about conversion. So we're going to go here and then we'll say we'll give it a name, right? Let's say true ad. Okay, so give it a name and then click on continue. So once it loads, this is what you're going to see, right? We're not touching anything here. Now we'll move over to this place. And here is where you're going to set some parameters like how much you want to spend. Let's say you want to spend 5,000 a day on this ad. Okay, want to spend 5,000 on this ad, right? So you can use any amount you want, but you should know that if you use 1,000 you're not going to get as much reach as somebody that uses 5,000. Let me show you something. So if you do 1,000, you see that the reach here has reduced, but if you do 5,000, you see that the number has increased. Okay, so um, we want to now create another. So let's say I want this ad to only be shown to people in Lagos. Alright, so I have to edit this and I say I don't want it to go to the whole Nigeria. I just want this ad to show to people in Lagos. Okay, so I click on that, Lagos, Nigeria, right? And I say people living in Lagos, not people living in this location. Alright, not people who are just people living in the location. So I want to target based on the kind of shoe that I'm selling. I want to target these shoes is a mature shoe. So I want to target mature people. So I'm going to say from maybe 30. Sometimes I do 30. Sometimes I just let's just say from 25 and then to 60. You see, you need to understand the product that you're selling. Okay, the product you're selling will determine the age range that you're going to select and gender. Okay, so I want this thing to be shown to just men, and then under this detailed targeting, it says your interest, right? So we're going to see it's a flat shoe, so I'm going to say loafers. Okay, they come out. Click on shoes. I say button shoes. Okay, um, sneakers, sneakers, habits. Okay. So when you comment, Facebook will give you like suggestions. So what you need to do is just click on as many as possible that relate to the product, and then once you're done, you move over, right? So selected our interest, then we're going to now scroll down, and yeah, that's basically it. We're doing clicks. So it's telling you your 5,000 naira will give you 103 to 299 clicks, okay? So we're going to come here now, and then we're going to set up some parameters. This selected page. So you see this, since the ad is going to run on Instagram, if you have an Instagram page, you can connect it. Otherwise, you could just use the same name. Okay? So you scroll down and say 100 single image. And remember, I said the right was shown to the right people with the right picture. All right. So this is what we want to advertise. We want to advertise this show. Okay. So I'm going to come here right now, and I'm going to just pick on the image. I think I have a picture of this show already. Okay, I don't have it. I don't know if I saved it. So I'm not going to click on upload and select the picture. I use the picture that I want to use on the art. Okay, so I just click on next here, and I click on next, and I click on done. Okay, so I want to be able to use the same content here. Okay, order your number one. And the reason why I changed this content is because Facebook actually flagged my other account, and then I got on a call with them, and they said I should be careful about the content that I use. I usually just use discounts like 20% off when you order today, only 5 or 10 pairs left. They said it's being manipulative, so I had to like change it. So this is permanent text. Only just copy the same thing and put it here. And say, hold on now, okay? And then you just copy this the link, and then you put it here, okay? So come here and say, yeah, just say free delivery nationwide. Okay, so nationwide. B. All right. So when you're working on this stuff, Facebook will be giving you like telling you this is what your ad is going to look like. Okay. So we'll come in now. We'll put the website URL. Okay. So we'll come in, put the website URL. Then this is like a direct ad. I just want them to come here and buy. So we're going to change this to instead of lemon, we're just going to change it to order now. Okay. So our ad is ready. Can you see? So our ad is ready to go. Once you're done, you just click on the publish button. I don't want to publish this ad. Once you're done, you just click on the publish button, and boom, your ad will be published. And once it's published, it goes live. People start visiting your website. And remember, we use the traffic objective. So I remember back in the days when I started using this Facebook ads, people didn't really know about conversion ads. So we usually just use this traffic, and we're getting sales from using the traffic objective. Just that when you use the conversion objective, Facebook just goes and gives you what you want. That's if every of the parameter is set up. If you have the right images, yeah, the right words on the ads, and then it's targeting the right people. So if you can use this, if you're probably just promoting an article, maybe you want people to go and read an article on a blog, or you just want them to go somewhere and read. That is when you can use the traffic objective. So I'm going to make another video. In that video, I'll talk about using conversion ads to sell your products, and then we'll also talk about using the messaging objective. That's if you don't have a website, you can actually just use the messaging objective to sell your product. So I'm going to end this video right now, and in the next video I'm going to show you the other things I talked about. So stay tuned, don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.